So in today's episode, we are working on a third generation. Yeah, I think it's a third generation. Yep, third generation Toyota Tacoma. So what we're doing here is we are installing this here Rockslider for this here Tacoma. So this is how that Rockslider looks like, mocked up here. And as you can see, it doesn't stick out too far. And this is how it looks like. It's just being mocked up, making sure that it is aligned and straight. One clamp right here, and then I'm gonna tack it up. So let's tack her up and we'll see what we can do. Okay, so she is all welded. Now I haven't painted. The reason is because the owner will paint it himself. Same thing on the other side. That's it. There it is. Yep. So I'll leave that for the owner to prep and paint himself.
Rừng li mò ta lo nhỏ ý lên cô lưu trên xe to cô lưu cầm bao của cha có chi bó cô bao tia có gió chi ta lo xin này nọ chưa mua ý đâu sơ cha mà nó cô nhỏ ý lên cô đã chỉ lo họ cha chỉ xuống cô lưu xe cho chị tao có gió Hãy subscribe cho kênh Ghiền Mì Gõ để không bỏ lỡ những video hấp dẫn.